Hello, this is Christian. I'm here at Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine with a Mercedes-Benz 2023 S580. This is the long wheelbase S-Class. This one does have the AMG line. You get these AMG multi-spoke wheels, more aggressive front bumper as well as rear. Start with the trunk first. Plenty of cargo room. You have a pass-through in the middle there. I'll show you that once we get back into the back. Jumping in, well, the first things you notice is the flowing lines, piano lacquer that flows basically from that armrest to this armrest. It's very beautiful, it's very nice, it's very elegant. Big Mercedes steering wheel here. Got your touch controls. Carries out. Heated, ventilated, memory options on both driver and passenger up front, as well as in the rear, and I'll show you that in a minute. Got wireless charging, cup holders, 2 USB-Cs. Inside you got 2 more USBs in the center armrest. Metal switchgear throughout. It's very premium. Everything you touch in here is well thought over and made to feel soft and very luxurious. Behind the screen you have another place to throw another smartphone if you don't want to throw it inside there. You get pillows on the front headrests and the rear headrests. It's full pano roof. Controls for that are the slide control here. So we'll go ahead and close that if I do it correctly. The rear one has its own partition. It's this button right here that will close the rear, as you'll see there. This vehicle has shades in the back. Pressing that will lower that. Go back and put that up. All right, let me just jump into the back for you all so you can see it. Demonstrate that one more time. So soft closed drawers throughout the vehicle, as you'll see. Okay. Jumping into the back. Legroom. I am 6'4", and I have ample room. I have my seat reclined. I actually have the base of it forward, and then I have the back fully reclined. As you can see there, it's tucked right into the back there. This one is what it comes standard. In the middle here, you got a place to put your arm, some storage, some rubberized areas for your phone, 2 USB-Cs there. Here's that pass-through here. I won't open that up. It's going to have to go back and close it. Push that open, you got 2 USB-Cs there, your climate there. So yeah, you got power seats in the rear, 3 memory options, full ventilation, full heating, this fancy trick button, which actually, if you activate that, it will control the front. So you can actually put the front seat completely forward. for even more legroom. It's absolutely insane. You can control all the windows with this back, so I can go ahead and tuck those in. Open the window back here. Open the window back here as well. Open up the sunshade. Put the back shade down. All from the controls here. It's very well thought through. Most owners with these vehicles are having somebody drive them, so having these controls in the back is nice, because this seat that I'm sitting in is probably going to be the second most used seat in this vehicle outside of that driver's seat there. You got Burmester sound system. It's a 3D sound system throughout the entire vehicle. It doesn't lose any, there's absolutely no distortion, even at the highest decibels that you can put it at, which is very high. Like I said, metal everywhere. Everything you touch feels nice. You'd be hard pressed to find anything that doesn't feel nice when putting your fingers on it, outside of the usual seat belts that have to be regulated with certain materials and so forth. But yeah, this vehicle is available. If you are interested in this, you can reach out to me. We also have a Cyrus Silver one as well, which is very nice. I'll probably throw a video of that out soon as well. Again, it's been Christian. I'm at Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. You can reach me at 207-815-1289 if you are interested in this vehicle or any vehicle that we have on our website, which you can reach at mbofscarborough.com. Thank you, and I hope you have a good rest of your day now. Bye-bye.